Hello guys! Maayong adlaw ninyong tanan! Kani nga video guys, ang old video ni Inday, ang iya experience sa iyahang
Is it
first
for the camping, Inday?
camping.
Yeah? Good. Where are we going? Good job! You're in our campsite. Inday's having fun already. And she's excited for the s'mores. That is all set. Whee! First camping trip. She wants to sleep now in the tent. Inday's all set. Yeah, she don't like the airbed. She like the air. Yeah.
Happy kay among batang makulit!
There you go. Good job.
Lingaw kaayo si
There
Inday
you go.
bike dire guys. Iya jud gilingaw iyahang first camping experience.
Later, the owl's still sleeping. And now we're cooking. What are you gonna have for dinner, Inday? You gonna have some steak?
No, I want rice.
Oh yeah, Mama's got rice. Here. Of course, I know you love rice.
Rice is life
Mama's
si
gonna
Inday.
make fried fish and pancit canton. Yeah, think what? Rice. Pancit canton.
Ganahan kaayo siya rice guys. Murag jug si Mami. Lami kaayo muka og rice. Nindot pud ni nga camping site ang giatuan guys kay duol ra kaayo mi sa lake. Kay summer man that time, patugsaw-tugsaw si Inday. Lingaw kay siya ani guys.
Thank you.
Ug diri na lang kutob akong video guys. Daghang kayong salamat sa pagtan-aw. God bless you all.